there are currently 3 types of resin. One is 1:1, 2:1 and 3:1. What are the types of resin that my brand provides for all the resin artists? So one is resin Nova, which is 2:1 ratio. One is resin Lust, which is 2:1 ratio, and one is resin Infinite, which is 3:1 ratio. Our third product is resin Infinite. This product comes with a blue packaging. This product has a ratio of 3:1. What you can do with this resin? You can do all casting processes with this resin. You can do 1-inch casting, but not more than that. You can't do deep casting in this resin. Instead, you have to use layers where you want to achieve like 3-4 inches castings. So here's an example. I've made this clock from this resin. So this transparent part is completely made from 3:1 resin Infinite, and the top coat is from resin Last. So you can use 2 to 3 products in every project according to your needs. Again, this resin is bubble free. It is shrinkage free, but you have to work in certain temperatures to achieve that glossiness and the transparency. If you work in very high temperatures, this might evaporate and it might get a lot of bubbles on the surface due to heating. If you do it in low temperatures, then it's easy for castings because resin works well in low temperature.